So guys, welcome to our very first video of AI series where I'll be teaching you some of the most legit and useful ways to make money from or using AI and explaining you some of the tools that can help you to become more efficient, more effective in your work, in your job, in your office, in your business, everywhere, right? So this is the very first video where I'll be explaining you one earning method which can help you to earn more than 100K or maybe $1 million by just selling ebooks that you can create using AI. Now, this video is going to give you a proper step-by-step process which you just need to follow, and definitely after following this procedure, you will have some good amount of money in your bank account, right? So without any further ado, let's start the video with the very first slide. And here I have mentioned one person whose name is Joe Poplas. And if you don't know, Joe Poplas is a person who have created more than $1 million by just selling ebooks. That's why I'm telling you this is not just a small game. If you do all the things properly, if you put in your efforts in this procedure, then definitely you will earn good amount of money. Now let me show one more name over here, Simon Hoiberg, who have made 7,500 grants in a week by just selling ebook, right? Just in a week he made $7,500. This is not a small number. If you are making $7,500 in a week, then definitely you can make $30,000 in a month. And if you follow the process properly, if you follow or apply the right things repeatedly, then definitely you can stretch this number to 60, 90, or maybe $100,000 in a month, right? Now, what is this procedure? Here, I'm going to show you the proper procedure which you need to follow in order to create your own ebook, right? And after creating the ebook, how you can promote it and how you can get sales, and ultimately how you can create wealth out of it, right? So let's start with the first slide. And here I have mentioned the step first, which is decide the topic. Simple, but not that much. Why I have mentioned here decide the topic? Because it is very important to understand that if you are thinking about any random topic like how to lose weight in 1 month, or how to become more productive, how to manage your time, no. If you are thinking to go with these type of topics, then stop here and think about it once, because these topics are totally oversaturated, right? People already have thousands of ebooks and even physical books out there on these topics, and they don't want any other ebook on these topics, right? So what kind of topics you should choose? Right here I have some examples like how to travel in the unconventional travel destinations. So you need to go deep inside these things, right? You don't just go for any general topic. You need to go with any specific niche topic so that you can target your specific niche audience, right? Now here I have mentioned few more topics like best ways to balance work and family life, right? And then the third one is effective communication in relationship, navigating long distance relationship, mental health strategies for a corporate employee, right? So these are the topics which you can choose to create your own ebook and sell it online. Now, why I'm talking about this, that topic is very important, topic is very important. Yes, if you are not choosing your topic properly, then the whole game is end here, right? So choose your topic wisely. Now after this, once your first step is done, you have decided your topic, your second step is to go to AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard and ask them to create an outline for your topic. Now in the second step, we are into the ebook creation process, right? Once we have decided our topic, now we are into the ebook creation process, where editing in the content, it is not like that you can just copy and paste it, no. And you can use Google Docs to create your document. Like you can directly go to Google Doc, and here you can create your proper ebook, right? Using this one by one, like first you will be adding the whole outline thing like this, right? And then paste it here. So as I told you that you need to put efforts in it, you need to put time, you need to research about some of the things. It is not like that you ask ChatGPT to create an ebook and it is ready for you to sell on $100 per unit. No, it is not that much simple. Earning money is not that much simple. Keep this thing in mind, right? But still, AI can help you to streamline the task that you can't even think of, right? If ChatGPT would not help you here, then definitely creating the outline would be easily half or more than half, around 1 day task, right? So definitely AI can help you, but yeah, it is not like that it will directly print you the money out, right? So now, after completing your step 2, basically creating the outline, and then you go to the start step 3, which is start filling out those headlines and sub headlines and give it a proper form of an ebook, as I told you. You can go to the fourth step, which is, once the proper ebook is ready, it's time to proofread the content. And why it is important? Because we are taking help from from an AI tool, right? So you need to keep in mind that it is still a initial phase of these AI tools. So sometimes it can write wrong, it can provide you some false data. So the human proofreading is very important. Even if you haven't used AI to create the ebook, still the proofreading part is very important so that everything can be checked properly and there is no scope of any mistake, right? So once your step 4 is done, we are into the step 5. Now you host your ebook on Amazon KDP, which is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or you can create your own dedicated website as well. So it is totally up to you. Let's say you have your own audience, then in that case you can create your own audience, because in your own website you can sell it in a higher price and you don't even have to pay any commission or any charges as like Amazon KDP, right? But if you don't have any audience, like your own audience, you can go to Amazon KDP and list it there. If you don't know about Amazon KDP, you just need to go to Google and search Amazon KDP. You land on this page. Here you can click on just join KDP and you just need to sign in, and then you need to create one. Basically you need to upload that ebook and make it publish. That's it. There is no any extra method. I mean, there's no any extra or time taking thing here, right? Even you can set the amount or the pricing you want, right? So after publishing it here, we are into the 6th step, and that is, it's time to market your ebook on various platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, Google, or YouTube. Both are same, right? And more. So what is this like Facebook or Pinterest? Basically we'll be using Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, or YouTube ads to show our ads on these platforms, and when the user engages with our ad, they'll be able to purchase this ebook directly from Amazon Kindle platform. Right now you can use Facebook ads, right? And even you can use Pinterest ads, you can even use Google ads. It is totally up to you, like the topic you have chosen, according to that topic you can choose the platform, right? So here you need to do some slight research that where my audience is, right? Where my audience is, like you need to find out that which type of audience can purchase my ebook, and does this, like if you want to sell your ebook on Facebook, so you need to question this to yourself: does the Facebook platform has the same audience who can purchase your ebook? And even you can do some Google search as well, like if I search here, which kind of audience does Pinterest have, right? So here you'll be getting the idea, like it is the same in the United States. There are 58, so here it is given the number like 58 million female users, but here it is showing that Pinterest's largest audience is women. So you need to keep this thing in mind, that if you think that my product can be purchased from women only, then Pinterest would be the best option for you. Why? Because largest number of audience on Pinterest is women, so there's a plus point. So this is how you can do your research, and then you'll be able to find out the perfect platform where you can run ads and sell your ebook. Right now, the budgeting part, it is totally depend on you. Like you might be thinking about budget, because I'm talking about paid ads. So here you can go with the free method as well, but if you are going with the free method, it will take too much time. What you can do is you can create a social media platform and create a reel or different kind of content related to that topic. When you start getting traffic, you can promote your ebook as well. So this is the simple method to do free marketing. And if you want immediate results, then you can go with paid marketing, right? So I hope you understood the process. This was the 6 step process which you need to follow in order to create your ebook. Or from, let's talk about the very first step, that is deciding the topic to getting sales. But wait, here I have mentioned few points that you need to keep in mind, right? So as an experienced marketer, this is our responsibility to tell you about these things as well, right? So the first point is page content doesn't matter. So when we are creating our ebook, and if you are thinking that I want to charge at least 15 or $20 for my ebook, then the the ebook should have more than 50 or maybe 100 pages. It is not like that. As long as your ebook contains value in it or valuable content in it, the audience will not think of the page count or the number of words you have added into it, right? The main thing you need to keep in mind that you need to provide value in the ebook, right? After this, the second point is you are not actually selling content. And what does this thing or this point mean, that you are not actually selling content? Here I have mentioned that I'm talking about practical ebooks here. You can read, listen, watch for free on the web, how to on any topic, right? And that is totally free, right? Ebooks organize things for us into a nice little bundle and often have a higher editorial standards. Convenience and quality are what we buy, not the content. So keep this thing in mind, convenience and quality what we buy, right? Not the content. Content is provided or content is available for free on the internet. So we'll be not getting paid for providing content. We'll be getting paid for providing convenience and quality, right? And this is what the same thing with the paid courses as well. As you know that these days paid courses have the same content which are freely available on YouTube platform. But what does these paid courses provides? Convenience and quality, because these courses have higher editorial standards, and the convenience is like a nice bundle, step by step or chapter by chapter lessons have been provided. So this is kind of a nice bundle, and the quality is also there, and that's why the audience go for those paid courses. And here I've mentioned as well, like there are exceptions to admit, but it's something that you need to think about, right? So keep in mind that you are providing convenience and quality, and the proofreading part is also the part of the quality here, right? That's why I mentioned that proofreading is very important. Now the third point here, I have mentioned the story matters. Definitely story matters. Here I have mentioned people care about why you wrote the ebook just as much as what's inside, right? When you tell a story and share emotions, people will be a lot more inclined to listen what you have to say. So when you are creating ads, so this is basically for the ads, when you'll be marketing your ebook, right? So you need to add, or you need to share emotions, you need to share the story that why you have created the ebook, right? And when you'll be able to connect with the audience at that point, you'll be start getting sales. So this is what the thing is, you need to share the story. After this, reviews. Again, review also matters. When we buy anything online, we check reviews, let's be honest, right? In the same way, when the user is going to buy your ebook, they will check the reviews. And it is not like that they will check the reviews only on Amazon platform, they will directly search on Google as well. Like they'll type your name, your ebook name, and the review term or review keyword there. So try to get reviews as much as possible. Like you can provide some copies, some ebooks to the users, so that initially you can accumulate some reviews, right? After getting some reviews, you can charge whatever you want for your ebook, right? And even you can provide your ebook to some of the most famous authors in the industry. But the thing is, your content, the topic should be relevant, right? So again, reviews matter. Then the next point is, if there are hundreds of the same ebooks on your topic, you need an audience. Which means, for example, you are creating your ebook on the same topic, like as I told you in the very first slide, that the topic matters, topic is very important. And if you are not choosing the targeted topic, then your ebook business is finished. Why I mentioned that point? Because if you're creating an ebook on a same topic which is already available in the market, even hundreds of people are selling same topics, then definitely you will not get sales for your ebook. So in that case, you need an audience. If you have your own private audience, if you have created or if you have built that audience, then you can go for those generic topics. Otherwise, you need to create any specific targeted topic, right? So I'm thinking, or I'm assuming that you don't have any audience. That's why I directly ask you to go for the specific type of topic or specific type of niche. Don't go for the generic topics like which people, hundreds of people are already selling, right? Now, after this, the next point is invest in an editor or a proofreader. This part can be done by you as well, but it is totally up to you. Like if you are willing to spend or if you can pay to a proofreader or editor, then definitely you can go for it. As I told you that you need to focus on convenience and quality. So in order to maintain the quality, you need a proofreading or proofreader or an editor, right? After this, the next point is there's not such thing as a perfect book. Yes, sometimes people do think that I need to put more efforts, I need to make it more perfect, I need to make it more perfect, but it is not like that, right? Because after a certain period of time, you don't need to put more efforts in it because you'll be not able to make it perfect ebook, right? Here I have mentioned that don't expect to create the perfect ebook. It doesn't exist and probably never will. For the perfectionist, call it done and ship. You won't make it any money with in with it in draft, right? Definitely. If the ebook is in draft, you will not be able to make single penny. So make it done and ship or sell, right? Next point is think in launch month, not launch day. Yes, guys, many people don't plan that how they will launch the ebook or their new product. So it is kind of a marketing part that you need to create your own strategy 1 month ago before launching the product, right? And in that 1 month you can tailor or you can customize that strategy according to your product, according to your situation and budget. But it is not like that you need to think about the strategy or think about the USPs on the launch day, right? You need to think about all these things a month ago. Next point, titles and cover images matter, even digitally. Definitely, guys, still title and cover images matter. And here I have mentioned think about what your title means to a reader now and tomorrow. Think about how they will remember your title and how they will describe it to others. Coming up with a great ebook title is a bit of an art form like email subject lines and headlines, but you don't have as much as chance of running A/B test to get it better, right? So what you need to do is you need to create multiple drafts of your title and the cover image so that you can find out the perfect one. And again, I'm mentioning it that titles and the cover images matters. This is the only part or the only content that your audience will be able to consume before purchasing it, right? So be more creative here and create some great art. Lastly, I'll mention one more point, and that is just go with it. Keeping all the things in mind, all the key points in mind, and following the proper procedure, you can definitely create a good wealth. Now, signing off, Marketing Fundas Global.